John Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to share with you how to draw this fun little elephant. That's right, this little elephant in 3 steps. Alright, so if you have your pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson and I hope you enjoyed learning it. But what I really want you to take home today on today's lesson is how I actually did that elephant. I actually took it from a book of live photographs of animals that I have. I have a real thick book with all these different animals. I use that as a reference guide. So if you have the internet, which I know you do, why don't you research on an animal that you like, take it, and then actually draw a cartoon version of it. Alright, so as always, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, and if you have, hey, thanks a lot, buds, I appreciate that. As always, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.